Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a personal account on Bilibili.com step by step. If you're new to Bilibili, this guide will help you set up your account easily. Let's get started. First, open your browser and type Bilibili.com into the search bar. Now, it's important to note that there are two versions of Bilibili. Bilibili.com, which is the main platform used in mainland China, and Bilibili.tv, which is for international users. For this tutorial, we'll be focusing on Bilibili.com, the main Chinese platform. So, make sure you are on Bilibili.com before continuing. Once you're on the homepage of Bilibili.com, you'll see two options at the top: Log in and Register. Since we're creating a new account, click on Register to start the registration process. Now, you'll see two options for logging in, one for password login and one for SMS login. For this tutorial, we'll use the SMS login method since it's simpler. So, go ahead and click on the SMS login tab. Next, you'll need to select your country code. If you're in the US, for example, you'll select +1 for the country code. After that, enter your phone number in the field provided. Once you've entered your number, click on the blue text that asks for an SMS verification code. Now, you might see a small puzzle asking you to select certain Chinese characters in a specific order. Don't worry if this looks a little confusing. Just follow the instructions carefully. There may be 4 characters to click on, so just click them in the order shown. Once you've done that, click the button to accept, and the system should send you the verification code. If you don't receive the SMS code right away, just click the button again to resend it. Sometimes it might take a moment, but eventually you should receive the code. Once you've got it, enter the code into the appropriate field. After entering the code, click the button to confirm. At this point, your registration should be complete, and Bilibili will automatically assign you a random username. You can change this later in your account settings if you prefer. And that's it! You've successfully created a personal Bilibili account. Now you're ready to explore the platform, check out all the content, and even upload your own videos. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.